If you're a student writing a research paper, a preacher preparing a sermon, a scholar preparing a lesson, or if you're a Sunday school teacher that's preparing a lesson, or if you're just wanting to write any type of academic paper, you can actually begin that work right inside Accordance by using the Papers feature. So I'm going to go to the File menu and select User Files and select New Paper. And here I can choose a paper template, so I can choose anything from a lecture to a lesson to various types of sermons, from general to topical to exegetical, or an article that would be great for a research paper or a journal article or a conference paper. I'm just going to choose the lesson and select Choose. And then here the paper appears, and I can give it a title, so I can say that this is my lesson, and then I could fill out any of this content I want to. We give you various points and subpoints, but you can add or change or move these around all you want to. The formatting is very similar to a typical word processor. You can bring in scripture links and hyperlinks as well right into Accordance. It also integrates with Stacks, so you can cite the sources that you've collected in Stacks and bring them into a paper as well. And then when you're done, you can also save or export this paper out as well and bring it into your word processor and finish it up. So Papers is a great way to begin drafting your lesson or your lecture or your sermon or your academic paper right inside Accordance, and also be able to come back at any time and easily access that paper right inside Accordance and be able to have all of your research right a click away. So take a look at Papers and take advantage of the great functionality it has to offer.